welcome to Data Toy Club. Today we're going to check out our color toolbox. We've got 3 really cool colors, red and blue and gold. Whoa! Check out the gold toolbox. I wonder what is inside that one. But I need your help. We have to pick which one are we going to open. Which one? You guys get to pick. Oh, by the way, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the subscribe button. Gold, blue, or red? Which one do you want me to open? Okay, it's going to be the red one. Good choice. All right, guys, we're going to open up the red toolbox with our toy tool set for kids. Let's take a look inside. So today's color we're going to learn is all about the color red. Awesome, because we have... you can't see yet. Nope, you gotta wait. We're gonna open it up. Let's get started. Let's take a look inside our red toolbox. You guys chose the red one. So what could it be? What's up first? It has to be red, though. Oh, what is that? It's a minion! Cool! It's a red minion superhero. I think he's Iron Man. He's kind of cool. All right, what do we have up next? Whoa, check out that cheetah. Cheetahs are super fast runners. That was pretty cool. We've got our red pliers. Now, what part of the handle is red? Exactly, that's the red part. Those are awesome pliers. What else do we have in our toolbox? Wait a minute. Camels. Look at those guys. Camels live in the desert. Just chilling out. Alrighty, what do we have? Surprise eggs. Oh, it's Captain America's surprise egg. Open it up. Let's take a look inside. It's gotta be red, though. Oh, it's a red little kitty. Oh, it's really cute. That is red and awfully adorable. All right, what else do we have in our red toolbox? Wait a minute. Those are parrots. Oh, how cute. Hey, how you doing? Hi. What else do we have in our red toolbox? Oh, it's the letter R. I wonder what letter R is the start of what word? I wonder if it's the color that we have today. Let's take a look what else we have in our toolbox. Whoa! No way! That's a snake! I'm not a big fan of snakes. But let's see, what else do we have in our red toy toolbox for kids? It's a metal saw. And the metal saw has a red handle. That's also red. Remember, today's word is red. Learning our colors. Wait a minute. Whoa. Look at that shark. That was a close call. There's another one. Whoa. Oh, look, it's Paw Patrol. Do you know who that is? It's also the color red, too. Red, white, and blue. What's going on? Cool. Why don't you hang out for a little bit and check out what we have in our toy toolbox? Here we go. Wait a minute. There's another one. There's a butterfly. And that's a red flower that green butterfly is on. That's pretty cool. All right, what else we got in our toolbox, guys? Whoa. Screwdriver, and that's a toy tool, and the handle is the color red. Good job. Everything's red today. Oh, look at the goldfish. Those are cute goldfish. Just swimming along. All right, here we go. Another Paw Patrol surprise egg. I wonder what's inside that egg. Why don't we crack it open? It's also red. Oh, it's a red hen. Cool. That's also red. Learning colors is fun. Now let's check out this other animal. Which one is it? Oh, look at that little caterpillar. Did you know that the caterpillar turns into a butterfly? Cool. All right, it's the letter E. So we now have the letter R and the letter E. I wonder what word we're spelling. I think I know what it is, but we have to find out the last letter. Maybe this is it. It's the letter D. Oh, we spelled out the color. R-E-D. It is red. You guys are right. R-E-D. Cool. Good job, guys. And let's take a look at some more tools. Whoa. That is known as a level. Did you know that was a tool as well? The level? What else we got in our toy toolbox? Man, there's a lot of stuff. An adjustable wrench. I love adjustable wrenches. You can do all kinds of cool stuff with those. And one last super awesome toy. It's a toy boat. Awesome! Whoa! That thing is huge! You see the red? Oh, it's got white and yellow as well. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next video!